The most confident people on earth aren't rich. They're not famous. They're not even smart sometimes. They're toddlers and drunk people. Think about it. They sing terribly in public. They say exactly what they think. Zero fear, zero hesitation. So here's the real question. Where did we lose that confidence, and how do we get it back? Stay with me, because this is going to rewire how you see confidence forever. Let me ask you something. If you had a friend who constantly said, "You're not good enough. You're embarrassing. You'll fail," would you keep them around? Of course not. So why do you let your own brain talk to you like that all day? Here's the shift that changes everything. Confidence doesn't start with believing you're amazing. It starts with changing the way you talk to yourself. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," say, "I'm getting better every day." It feels fake at first. Your brain resists. But repeat it long enough, and your brain accepts it as truth. And once that happens, everything changes. Quick check. How are you sitting right now? Slouched? Folded in? Straighten up. This isn't motivational talk, this is science. Your posture sends signals to your brain. Stand taller, and your brain assumes, "Oh, we must be confident." You don't wait to feel confident. You act, and the feeling follows. Next time you walk into a room, don't walk in like a background character. Walk in like the camera's already on you. Ever notice someone think, "I should talk to them," and then do absolutely nothing? That's not fear. That's your brain talking you out of growth. Here's the rule. When you feel the urge to act, you have 10 seconds. Count it down. Move before your brain creates excuses. Confidence is built in motion, not thought. People think confidence comes from big moments, dream jobs, awards, millions. Wrong. Confidence comes from tiny wins that stack. Making your bed, speaking up once, going to the gym when you didn't feel like it. Write them down, literally. Create a confidence jar. Every small win goes in. Because when you see proof that you show up for yourself, you start trusting yourself. And trust is confidence. Think about learning to ride a bike. You were shaky, you fell, you looked stupid. And then one day, you didn't. Confidence works the same way. If you never leave your comfort zone, you never give yourself evidence that you can handle more. Growth feels awkward. Confidence comes after. Ever lie in bed replaying something embarrassing you said years ago? Here's the truth that frees you. No one remembers. They're too busy replaying their own embarrassing moments. The moment you stop chasing approval, you start owning who you are. And that's real confidence. Stop taking yourself so seriously. The most confident people aren't perfect. They're comfortable laughing at themselves. Mistakes become stories. Awkward moments become jokes. And suddenly, you're untouchable. Here's the final truth. Every action you take is a vote for the person you're becoming. Run the mile. Learn the skill. Help the friend. Show up, even when it's uncomfortable. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, one decision at a time. And the moment you realize that, that's when everything changes. If you're done overthinking, done playing small, and ready to build real confidence, you already know what to do. If you found this valuable, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts below.